Today we'll be making a smoked cheddar cheese. This is one of my favorite cheeses, and I've been vegan actually since 2012, and one of the most common questions I get is, how do you make cheese? I just can't live without cheese. So here we will show you a firm version of cheese today in a simple way. Soaked cashew, and soak it overnight or just for 1 hour in hot water. Miso paste. Nutritional yeast, which can be found at Safeway or even on Amazon, and onion powder. You can also use raw onion, and then paprika and cayenne, fresh lemon juice, olive oil. You can also use coconut oil, and red bell pepper, salt, and garlic. And then the key ingredient actually is the agar-agar, so you can find this on Amazon or at an Asian market. Now we're ready to pour it into our bowl, and make sure you grease it first. So here's our final product of our beautiful smoked cheddar cheese. You can see how it slices so easily, and it's great to put on crackers, bring to parties. You'll impress all of your friends. So now you know that being vegan doesn't mean that you don't get to enjoy amazing cheese. And be sure to subscribe to my channel.
No meowing.
Oh man. Smoked cheddar cheese.
All right.
You'll impress all of your friends.